Hi everyone. Today, we are talking about one of the most versatile and widely used herbs in the world, mint. Whether you drink it in your tea, add it to your salads or use it in your cooking, mint is a herb that has numerous health benefits. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 benefits of mint herb and why you should add it to your daily routine. One of the most well-known benefits of mint is its ability to aid in digestion. The menthol in mint helps to soothe an upset stomach and can relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating and nausea. Drinking a cup of mint tea after a meal can help to soothe your digestive system and prevent any discomfort. Mint is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, making it a great herb to boost your immune system. Antioxidants help to fight against harmful free radicals and prevent oxidative stress, while vitamin C boosts your immunity and helps to prevent infections. Adding a few mint leaves to your tea or cooking can help to keep you healthy and prevent illnesses. Mint has a calming effect on the body and is often used to relieve stress and fatigue. The scent of mint has been shown to improve mental clarity and alertness, making it a great herb to add to your daily routine. Whether you drink a cup of mint tea or simply inhale the scent, mint can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. Mint has anti-inflammatory properties that can help to improve skin health. It has been used for centuries to soothe skin irritation and reduce redness. Adding a few mint leaves to your face wash or using a mint-based skincare product can help to improve skin health and keep your skin looking its best. Mint has been shown to promote healthy hair growth and improve scalp health. The menthol in mint can help to soothe an itchy scalp and reduce dandruff, while the antioxidants in mint can help to keep your hair strong and healthy. Adding a few mint leaves to your hair care routine can help to improve the health of your hair and keep it looking great. In conclusion, mint is a versatile and powerful herb that has numerous health benefits. Whether you drink it in your tea, add it to your cooking or use it in your skin and hair care routine, mint is a herb that you should add to your daily routine. From improving digestion to boosting immunity, mint is a herb that has a wide range of benefits that can help to keep you healthy and feeling your best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Please keep in mind that this video is not intended as substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified healthcare provider with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Follow us for more at The Food Glossary.